Hello traders, today is Friday, August 26th, and the market did not disappoint. Today a huge day to the downside. I'm going to cover and review, even do a little forecasting based on today what we can expect as we get into next week and through September, October, November, what's going to happen in the markets. Before we begin, remember that trading is risky. Let's not trade with funds we cannot afford to lose. Always talk to your broker, understand there are risks involved with trading. So what you're seeing here on the chart on the right is a huge day to the downside, and this is roughly about 140 points last I checked. From here to here, we're looking at roughly 147 points. So huge day to the downside without a doubt. Now, we already know that markets fall or drop faster than they climb or than they go up. So it's relative to say, if you look previously at this day in June 14th. So we're looking at the 9th, the 13th, and the 14th. In 3 days, the market moved roughly 408 points. So it would not be all that unrealistic to think that the market will move, if you're looking at here, about 408 points or more coming into next week. So if you're looking at a potential in selling the market as a swing trader, as a position trader, even as a day trader, if you see opportunities to be a seller, we have this idea that the market, first of all, drops and falls faster than it goes up. We have in recent history where it just has happened, about 408 points. And so you can see here that there is a great potential to be a seller, to make a lot of money to the short side. Now, if the market turns around and comes back up, obviously, we don't want to be a seller. We want to be a buyer, but I would wait at least for it to break this pivotal high. So this pivotal high right here is essential. Market should hold. If it's going to go down, should not break above this pivotal high, should hold that resistance, and it should instead go straight down. So look for the next 3, 4, 5 days for the market to go between 400 and 500 points. I think that's realistic. And hold on, because it's going to be very strong volatile moves, big long range days. Usually when I see a day like this, there's a cycle of 3 or 4 days in the market of very similar, not so much the direction as much as the type of day. I talk about this as a cycle. The type of days are large range days. You're going to see more of this for the next few days. Okay, so that's a little bit of a forecast for the following week. And if I squeeze this up here, there's an ultimate goal here of the market hitting these support lows. We're looking at about 3,200, 3,300. I think it's within reason that the market needs to go to this price. So even though this is today, within the next few months, within reason, we're going to see the market head lower, okay, if things continue as they are. All right, enough about that. Let's take a look at a 1-minute chart. I'm going to add here the Trade Scalper. I was looking at the Trade Scalper today, and I saw, based on the emails and the communications I've received about 20 to 30 emails today from students using the Trade Scalper system along with the Atlas line, and they said it was a great down day for today. I'm going to just show you the signals here that happened for today. And you can see the last few hours, they were all shorts, right? So, starting here at about 1 o'clock New York time, it was just short after short after short after short, short. Now, these systems and these signals are actually taught, and the software provides the signals for you on the chart. And so this was a great day if you're a seller going into the afternoon. Now, as far as the morning, as soon as the market opened here at 9:30, what do we have? Well, the first signal is a short here at, looks like 41.9950. Now, again, I'm not a big fan of trading right as the market opened. You've probably heard me say that in a lot of videos, because as the market opens, there's a lot of volatility, and it's a little dangerous because there could be a lot of swings. But that happens to be the first signal of the day. I don't recommend trading within the first 5, 10, 15 minutes. At least let the market calm down a little bit before jumping in. As a day trader, we have to be careful with that. So that's the first signal. Second signal, third signal of the day. Here we go, fourth signal of the day. So actually, what you're seeing is a lot of short signals straight off the bat. Fifth, sixth signal to the short side. Then you have one long, this poor loser right over here, 41.2150 to go long. This was a losing trade. But prior to that, all short trades. And then we continue short, short, short. This one is a long, this one's a long. This one I think would have probably stopped you out or break even. This one definitely a break even or a small winner on these two long trades. And then after that, it was just a huge, huge day. So if you consider how many signals existed for today on the Trade Scalper, overwhelmingly with 3 signals to go long and probably 20 signals here to go short, this was a great day for the day traders using the Trade Scalper. Now here at 4:30, this is not a signal I want to take. At 4:30, this is now going into after hours. The market's closed. This is not something I would want to take. The signal still appears because it doesn't realize the market's going to close. But this is not a signal we would take. And I would even say these 2 signals here and this one here, it's already the end of the day. I don't recommend trading right up until the end of the day. On a Friday, especially, this is not where we want to be. But anything prior to that, fair game. As long as the ATR is within reason, follow the rules. Be careful with the risk, right? Always look at the ATR. If the risk is too much, skip the trade. And I think you would have done very well today. If you have any questions, visit DayTradeToWin.com. Sign up for a free member account. We have now the option for those of you who are interested in learning about day trading to download some software, get to know the platform, ask questions, join the free member account, and I'll see everyone at the next class. Until next time, take care. If you're new to day trading and want to learn more on the benefits of trading the markets, visit DayTradeToWin.com. Join the next mentorship class starting later this month, and subscribe to the Day Trade to Win YouTube channel. We focus on price action and work exclusively with new and beginner traders who want to learn more on how to prosper from trading.